Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily add your JBL Partybox on the go-to speaker to your smartphone application. It doesn't really matter if it's an iPhone or if it's an Android phone, the process is the same. First we need to install this application, and while installing we can go to the settings and connect devices. As you can see, I'm connected to my speaker right now. If you aren't, you need to tap pair new device and pair your speaker now. Now, once you have paired your speaker, we can go back to our app and open that. Now we need to see the intro. That's every single time when we turn on our application. And now we have to tap get started. Here you need to tap accept and tap turn on every device permission. Tap allow. And once you have done that, you will see this application here. Goodbye.